Hello friends! Welcome back to our fun fruit world. Let's meet 20 new fruity friends from around the world. Hi! My name is Cherry. I'm tiny, red, and sweet. I often come in pairs. Hi! My name is Peach. I'm soft and fuzzy. I'm super sweet. Hi! My name is Kiwi. I'm brown outside and green inside. I'm small but full of vitamin C. Hi! My name is Lemon. I'm yellow and very sour. People use me to make lemonade. Hi! My name is Guava. I'm green outside and pink or white inside. I smell so good. Hi! My name is Tangerine. I look like an orange, but I'm smaller. I'm sweet and easy to peel. Hi! My name is Blueberry. I'm tiny and blue. People love me in pancakes and muffins. Hi! My name is Pear. I'm green or yellow. I'm sweet and soft. Hi! My name is Papaya. I'm orange inside and full of little black seeds. I help your tummy feel good. Hi! My name is Tomato. I look like a fruit, but some say I'm a vegetable. I'm juicy and tasty. Hi, I'm Durian. I'm big, spiky, and very special. Some people say I smell strong, but I'm sweet inside. Hello, I'm Raspberry. I'm small, red, and full of little bubbles. Kids love me. Hello, I'm Fig. I'm soft and sweet. People have eaten me for thousands of years. Hi, I'm Tamarind. I'm long and brown. I taste sour and sweet at the same time. Hello, I'm Sapodilla. My skin is brown, but my heart is full of sugar. Hi, I'm Jackfruit. I'm the biggest fruit that grows on a tree. I'm sweet and chewy. Hello, I'm Longan. My name means dragon eye. Try me and you'll love me. Hi! I'm Mangosteen. I'm purple outside and white inside. I taste sweet and a little sour. Hello! I'm Lychee. I'm small, red, and juicy. Kids love my sweet taste. Hi! I'm Rambutan. I look hairy but I'm soft inside. I'm sweet and fun to eat. Yummy! You have just met 20 tasty fruits. Now, let's say the fruits again. Repeat after me. Cherry. Peach. Kiwi. Lemon. Guava. Tangerine. Blueberry. Pear. Papaya. Tomato. Durian. Raspberry. Fig. Tamarind. Sapodilla. Jackfruit. Longan. Mangosteen. Lychee. Rambutan. Awesome! You have just learned 20 more yummy fruit names. Which fruits do you like? Tell me in the comment below. See you in the next fruity adventure.